Hey guys, it's your girl Vest, and we are back with another speed art. This speed art is basically a little strip that I wanted to do. I don't know about you guys, but I watch kind of funny, you know, daily basically. I know that that's the title, you know what I'm saying, but I do. Me and my husband, especially him, like if I am working or something like that and he puts it on, I'm definitely watching, you know what I'm saying, but I'm watching, enjoying at the same time. And I tend to do this thing where if there's like a run on joke, I'm going to go ahead and draw it because I see it in my head and I see the controversy and the animation behind it. You know, like the just a drama. If you like to say, and I do love the personalities between Greg and Blessing. That I had to. This is the season of pumpkin lattes, as Mike likes to say. Pumpkin chai lattes. Pumpkin spice chai lattes and um Spirit of Halloween claiming people as pumpkin kings, right? Pumpkin kings. Um so yeah, I am actually doing a part two of the drawing that I did last year. Was it last year? I don't know, y'all. I think it was last year. A lot of things happened these years that COVID really messed up my mind. I really don't know what's going on here. You know, like being in the house all day, you just start getting stir crazy. But you know, enough about that. It's basically me putting in work for the second the second part of this. So I decided to do more of like a JoJo theme as um the holiday season comes in and Greg is like, so it's time. You know what I'm saying? It's like one of those things and I was like, I have to do it. It was in my brain for like ever since I would say August, September. And I was like, I have to push this out. So I ended up making this rather early because if you don't know, right now I have a Kickstarter going. It's called Posttober Marvel versus DC. So I'm drawing our mascot Pulsey as different superheroes, your favorite superheroes from DC to Marvel, and drawing him in those type of forms. And I'm making an art book out of it because I am drawing these traditionally. So for those who like my hand art, you can definitely find the link down below and help support the art book. We're pretty much almost close to hitting our goal, and it's only been, I would say, 28 days. So thank you guys for those who are helping with the support of the Kickstarter and just definitely putting me out there, y'all. Because, like, honestly, me making this art book, at first it was just, oh, you guys like my art, let me go ahead and make it because a lot of you guys wanted an art book. And now that this is going on the fourth year of an art book, and it's gonna have 2 years worth of it's gonna have 2 years worth of art in there. Um, it's just amazing how much you guys support just my art and what I do, and like just to put your money where your mouth is. It's just like, what the hell, like that's amazing, and I'm thankful and very grateful for all of you who help support me this far, especially during these hard times. I know that you know the economy is not that great, and I do this for a living, so it's just for you guys to help support that it means a lot. And I have to say that before I even go into detail of like the art piece, right? But yeah, definitely doing post sober. So I did this piece early, and I had a lot of fun with it, y'all. Like I had a lot of fun with it. I love the bantering of that Blessing and Greg give to each other. It's just amazing. Honestly, they couldn't have picked anyone better to join their team. I love all the people that's there, from Greg to freaking Mike to Blessing, all of them. Like they're amazing. Joey, all the whole cast, the whole crew, just hanging out with them. Especially I hang out with them in their live streams and stuff like that. So, them, and also just the community in general. There is an amazing community, a lot of talented people, a lot of people that are just funny and outgoing. Is not no BS. and it feels like my community, basically, how we like all consider each other really close friends, you know, almost to the point where it's like almost a family, right? So definitely a place that I can say that if you ever like video games, kind of funny is the community you want to be in, to be, you know, up to date with any game related things. If you like, you know, E3s and stuff like that, definitely they will be your people, especially their community. uh, you wouldn't get any, you wouldn't even get, like, you know, crap that usually happens within the gaming community. Like, you know how some people usually they have a facade and they just act unaccordingly to what you see. So yeah, you know, and I know it speaks a lot, is very highly, but at this point it's just I've been watching them for so long, and I hung out in plenty of their streams, especially in their live streams, because each individual person has their own, and I never seen a change up. So definitely 100% recommend. Um, so yeah, like this is a meme that I've been like I've been falling up on. There's other ones too, like freaking Blessing trying to beat up a chicken like Kratos and stuff like that. Like there's so many things that they say that I can see it artistically. Um, it's a shame I don't have enough time to create a lot of fan art, but definitely definitely when I do have the time, I always have to like fight with myself and choose which one is the best one, and is this this is the time, is this the time to do it, right? So um definitely I know for a fact I'm not gonna stop making kind of funny meme type stuff, but uh definitely I have more ideas to come. But this one was just pure goodness, because JoJo has I've been watching JoJo for a while. I'm up to the part where like Jolene and Jotaro, you know, she's trying to save her father and stuff like that. So I'm up to that point, and I was like, dude, nothing is better than JoJo. JoJo's poses, JoJo's memes, and not put freaking Blessing and Greg in it. Like it's just why not do it, right? Like why not do it? Um so that's what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. If you can see, I have my VTuber. I make VTubers now for people who are in need of a different face. Instead of having your own face on the internet, you can become your own character. So I've been doing this for a couple of months now. It's actually going really good. I've created a male VTuber. I made myself. I even made my D&D character, Alicia. You probably seen her. If not, you might see her next month. And she's purple and cute and amazing, and I love D&D. So for those who play D&D and you're watching still, definitely tell me about your character. What class are you? And all the goodness behind your character. So my character, she's actually a druid, and she her thing is constellations. So she is the druid of the stars, and her race is quatling. So like she's a quaddle mixed tiefling. So she has like these feathers and just really beautifully put out. And my first D&D, my first time ever streaming, me playing D&D. So if you guys ever want to watch me, Roll Positive Gaming is the stream on Twitch to watch it at. I think they have a YouTube. I think Matt has a YouTube. I'm not too sure. But yeah, definitely play with Matt, who is the person who runs it, and I've been having a lot of fun. Been drawing actually D&D pages for that. So like if you didn't catch up with Pirates of the Glass Sea, I do have a journal, and I've been putting that journal on my coffee. So if you guys are like looking for you know, exclusive art, my Patreon I kind of like slipped off on, and I've been doing it on coffee. And then on top of that, coffee doesn't take nothing from me. Everything, if you give me $5, I get $5. So that's what I like about coffee. So if you guys are supporting me on Patreon and you're like, yo, Vess, I haven't seen you put anything exclusive. Please go to my coffee and follow me on coffee. I do have tiers there where you can become a monthly subscriber, and I do put exclusive art up there. Like there be things I be sketching, and I'll just put it up there randomly, and you guys like it. So, you can find that in the links down below. Look at me looking all crazy. So like you can find that down below. You can find the Kickstarter down below. You can find all that information down below. Okay, guys. That's all I can say. It's been a while for me doing these type of speed arts, so I'm just rambling a lot of information. If you are here this long, thank you for the commitment. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit that like and that subscribe, right? Like I'm gonna be doing more of these. Again, I am not the type of person that every 5 minutes I'm making a YouTube video, because I stream every day on Twitch. So, I do it as much as I can, and I'm gonna do a lot more shorts. So you're gonna be seeing me do a lot more shorts. And I know I said that in the beginning, but let me run that down again. And that's because I'm doing TikTok. So if you guys want to see me live on TikTok, please follow me on TikTok, because I need like 1,000 people, I think so, something of that nature, to be able to stream on there. So yeah, I'm trying to like build up my presence in the internet world. I'm not really so good with that, and that's because I mostly focus on me doing art rather than anything else. So I'm focused on my commissions, I'm focused on my books, which is Celestial Pulse, and I'm focused on Posttober, which is Polsy. Posttober only happens in October. If you guys don't have like a challenge and you need a challenge, Posttober is the way to go. You could follow me on my Twitter. It's like the first pin you could see there. So yeah, definitely take a look and see if you like it. Some people, they've been drawing Polsy, and some people have been drawing the actual character with Polsy. So like, let's say if, today's is Thor, right? So what I'm doing is I'm drawing Polsy as Thor, but some people be drawing Thor and then they have Polsy dressed up as Thor. So you can do those type of things. Again, this is just a thing that I do in my community. We have fun with it. There's not a lot of rules. You know what I'm saying? I have guidelines for myself on like what I like. And I do have guidelines for other people, but they're very flexible. And that's because I want you to have fun with it and just enjoy the piece that you're creating. I don't want you to feel like you are shackled to anything. You know what I'm saying? So the Posttober DC versus Marvel, last year we did DC, this year we're doing Marvel. So we're just focusing on Marvel characters. And from time to time I will be showcasing other people's art and what they've done, because a lot of you guys are very talented. Let me put that out there. Mother freaking the post community, y'all some talented mother freakers. I love it, yo. I love it. I love it because y'all are some real talented people, and just to see the art overflow, especially in the Discord, I'm just in awe, and I love it. And it's amazing to take a break on the weekends and like just go in there and see what y'all been up to, from comics that you've created to fan art, to fan art for Celestial Pulse, which is very, very awesome, fan art of Polsy, which is awesome, and just making your own OC, or like if you guys are like trying to make your own VTubers, and that's just beyond me. So definitely some talent, y'all some talented, amazing people. Don't ever forget that. Just got to put that out there. But yeah, that's what we've been doing. And definitely, y'all, definitely follow the Kinda Funny family, because they're amazing too. Oh yeah, so this part right here, I didn't know what I wanted to do, because like right when I did the coloring, I was like, I want it to be Halloween colors. Like, sure, it's okay to have the meme, but I want the Halloween colors, you feel me? So like I decided to go with greens, blacks, purples, oranges, you know what I'm saying? And especially purple, and I think purple and I think it was purple and yellow or something like that, because Blessing had said, yeah, Halloween colors is purple, and it was another color. I forgot. I don't know if it was like yellow or green that he said. And everybody was like, what the hell, Blessing? No, that's not it. So like when somebody had brought it up to him, he was like, nah man, I know it. It's black and orange. And like I know everything about Halloween. So this is how the whole whole Halloween thing came up, and it's just amazing, man. It's just amazing to pull out memes and ideas from that, cuz geez, man. Like you don't know how pure gold it is to like just hear them talk, especially Mike. Like when they turn Mike into mother freaking the dude, the father from the Thornberries, bro. I was Nigel Thornberry. I was rolling, guy. I was like, yo, somebody definitely beat me to it, but dude, that was amazing, pure gold. Somebody drew him like Nigel Thornberry. Excuse my phone. And I was enamored with it, and I was dying, and I was like, this is what it is, man. This is what it's all been about. Freaking love it. So yeah, definitely, y'all, definitely, totally recommend this that podcast, that streaming community. They stream on Twitch. They're definitely here on YouTube. I think they do have their podcast up on a couple of the podcast places. I'm not too sure because I don't listen to them on those podcast places. So like I'm on my business on that because I like to watch rather than like anything else, because they do put up videos of like things that they are reviewing, especially with games and stuff like that. Oh, and they also talk about the MCU, and again, there's spoilers, so if you haven't watched it, don't watch it. But if you have and you just want to hear what other people have to say about it, definitely they have that up on there too. So they have like different things. They have their games, they have their reviews of the games, they have their reviews of the MCU or movies that came out and stuff like that. So you have like a plethora of things to keep you entertained, and it's like a lot of stuff. So I decided to change up what I'm doing right now. So like I was gonna make it a huge thing, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna go ahead and change that up. So I just changed it up to it's time, and this is how it came out. Definitely had a lot of fun. I did put the pumpkin spice background, and that's a shout out towards Mike, because Mike and his mother freaking lattes from Starbucks is just ridiculous, and it's funny because he gets two of them and he just drinks it all day, and I'm like, oh wow, like I can't even handle one. But yeah, this is how it came out. I had a lot of fun. I hope that they see it. I hope that the kind of funny community does see it too. You guys are amazing. Thank you for allowing me to do art, and you guys just always shout me out. That's just amazing, and I feel totally blessed about it. Um, so yeah, guys, I stream on Twitch 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Fridays. If anything changes, I definitely let my Discord and my Twitter know that I'm not going to be streaming, or if something came up. So yeah, keep me on the lookout. Please hit that like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.